Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to earn money from home online. Money earning opportunities from home that you could be doing today. So let's get started. The first one is freelancing. Freelancing is one of the best ways to make money online right now. There are a lot of people looking for different services online, and Upwork, freelancer.com and fiverr.com are going to be some of your best tools to get connected with those people. These web pages are the most well-known web pages for freelancing, where you can find people posting projects that you can complete. You can apply to those projects, and if you get hired, if you get selected, then you can complete the job remotely and then you'll get paid. Most of these have some kind of like secure payment system, which is really great because it helps you feel confident enough that if you do the work, you are going to get paid, even though they take a percentage on the payment. But it's still a very good option to just work from home, find some projects and get working. Also, the cool thing about Fiverr, for example, is that you can actually offer your service. You can actually post a service with a price and say, I will do this for this amount of money. So I will edit your family pictures for this amount of money, or this number of family pictures for that amount of money. So you can actually post a service and choose how much you're going to charge for it. For example, you can actually choose to be a virtual assistant. You can actually offer that on Fiverr, and that's the second job that you could be doing from home that I was going to talk about, is virtual assistants. Fancy Hands, Viva Virtual, and Belay Solutions are some of the web pages that would connect you to people who are looking for virtual assistants. Now, virtual assisting is just the same as a regular assistant. All you do is kind of manage day-to-day tasks that people don't have time to manage, like looking for prices for stuff, maybe ordering things, calling some places, making appointments, etc., clearing up schedules and finding time to do stuff. All that kind of stuff that an assistant would do is what a virtual assistant would do. The only difference is that a virtual assistant will do it over the internet. So if you are looking to be someone's assistant and you think this is a job that you could be performing, this is definitely the three web pages that I would recommend the most: Baba, Belay, and Fancy Hands, to look for assisting opportunities. Next, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace. It helps businesses find people to do processes and jobs that are basically not that hard to do. It could include anything from simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks, from like survey participation, content moderation, and more, right? So they take tasks that are not that hard to do and they look for people to do them online. Instead of having the company actually hire someone to do these tasks, then you can just crowdsource this. And so these are some of the tasks that you are going to be doing if you sign up to Amazon Mechanical Turk. You do a little bit of helping AI, selecting stuff, checking data, It's not that hard, and you could be making money in your spare time, so it's definitely worth checking out. Next, we have becoming an online tutor. There are several services of tutoring out there. For example, check.com, where you can actually become a tutor and teach some subjects from high school to college to even elementary school, right? So if you are interested in becoming a tutor, this is definitely a great opportunity. It says right here that top tutors can earn up to $1,000 a month, starting at $20 an hour. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's a good amount of money that you could be making. Now, some other services include tutorme.com, or you could go to cambly.com. Cambly.com works a little bit differently because it is meant for teaching English or learning English. So you can become an English teacher or an English tutor for people who are trying to learn English, and you could earn money that way. Next, we have user testing. User testing is a service in which you could test some other company's web page or service or app and give them your feedback and your opinion. There's several web pages that do this: User Testing, UserBrain, Try My UI, and all three of these provide the same kind of service in which you are going to go in and either take a test or take a survey or try something. They might record your reaction while you're trying it, and then they use that to give feedback to the company, because the company is trying to figure out if people like or don't like the product. So if they get a group of people that could tell them if they like the product or not, it would be better for the company. And this is what these web pages do. It's totally free to sign up, and it's definitely a great way to make money. Now let's go to our next one, which is transcribing. Transcribing is a service that a lot of people need and a lot of companies need, especially people who produce media. We have rev.com, transcribeme.com, and transcribeanywhere.com. All three of these web pages provide transcribing services to companies and other type of clients, and they are always looking for people to hire to do their transcriptions. And it's very easy. It's just what it sounds like. You basically just either listen to audios or watch videos, and you transcribe whatever you're listening, and you could make a pretty good amount of money. So these are the rates for rev.com, in between 30 cents and $1.10, and in between 54 cents and $1.10 per minute as a captioner. Again, there are several web pages. Transcribe Me and Transcribe Anywhere are both really good as well, and it's definitely worth checking all three of them out, if not even just signing up to all three of them, because that means you could get offered more work through all three of them than you would through one of them. So make sure you check them out. It's a great way to make money as well. Our last method, which I believe it's the best, is affiliate marketing. Why do I think it's the best? Because it's passive income, and you can grow it, and you can keep growing it, and you can just keep finding products and selling them. So we have web pages like Amazon Associates that are affiliate marketplaces. Affiliate marketplaces are web pages that allow you to sell someone else's products, and you earn a commission on it. So basically, you go into Amazon, or you go to ClickBank, or you go to ShareASell, and you find products that you like, you find products that you think are going to sell well, and then you take those products and you offer them to people, and if people buy those products, then you make a commission on it. So we are on ShareASell right now, and if we go and look at their merchants, they actually have pretty good brands. They start out with just Reebok and Sally Beauty, and they got a bunch of different brands and a bunch of different categories that you can pick from. So that means that you have a lot of different products that you could be selling. If you want to take it seriously and to the next step, you should check out the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private club of business owners and course creators and affiliate marketers that are helping each other out increase their sales, because it helps everybody. Andy Isom is the guy who runs the masterclass, and as you can see, he made over $40,000 last year just in affiliate marketing. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's free to sign up, and it will help you grow your affiliate marketing company. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you very much. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope that you like this and that you find this helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to support us, please subscribe to the channel. We're constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. So if you like this video, please share it, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and we'll see you later.